Hey guys, this is just a little impromptu video that I wanted to share with my audience to make an announcement of some things that have happened with me and with DB Tech here recently. So if you've been watching this channel for the last year or so, you know that we've really kind of focused the content here about home servers and self-hosting and that sort of thing. And we primarily use Docker and then Portainer on top of that to deploy containers for self-hosting and deploying containers and that sort of thing. I've been a big fan of Portainer for the last year or so that I've been using it. And in fact, a few months ago, Portainer reached out to me and asked if I would be one of their ambassadors for the new ambassador program that they started at that time. So while that was going really well, they reached out to me and let me know that they wanted to start a new content series on their channel. The content would focus on interviewing their ambassadors to talk about how they use Portainer, why they use Portainer, those sorts of things. And then towards the end, we would open it up for questions and answers from the audience. They actually decided to interview me first. I'm not sure what their rationale for that was, but we actually just did my interview last week and it went really well. It actually went so well that one of the co-founders and the CEO, Neil Cresswell, reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in a contract position doing tech support for them online. So this means if somebody submits a support ticket for the community edition of Portainer, that there's a good chance that I might answer that question. Or if somebody asks a question on a place like Reddit or the forums that they've got or the chat that they've got, that I might be the person that might be able to help answer that question. So I went ahead and decided to accept the position. So now I'm a contractor for Portainer doing tech support to help people out online. So it's going to take a little bit of time for me to kind of get into the swing of things and kind of make sure that I know how everything works before I'm 100% fully engaged in that. But what I want to let you guys know as my audience is that won't change my content. My goal is still to put out 3 videos a week. My content won't change. It won't be affected or influenced in any way by this new position. They've told me that I've got a complete autonomy as far as my content is concerned. What I create for my content is mine, and they don't want to have any influence on that at all. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I am taking a contract position with Portainer, but it shouldn't affect my content. They're not going to have any say over my content. My content is still mine, but I will be more active in the communities, trying to help people where I can when they've got questions about Portainer Community Edition. Now, the reality is I couldn't have done any of this without you guys. You guys have helped me build an audience and a community that made this position, this opportunity possible. So thank you all very much for being here, being a part of this, and helping me grow the channel and my own knowledge to such a point that Portainer wanted me to be part of their team and help with their tech support. It really is a very cool opportunity for me, and I want to thank you guys again, as well as Portainer, for giving me this opportunity. Again, this wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you. But with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. As always, thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you in the next video.